In front of me I've got Motorola Moto G13. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning let's enter Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly let's enter Transit Pass. And if you are able to find your transit way selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next let's select Loyalty Card and select card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.